Nutella. It has been popular around the world for decades. And I'm going to show you how to make it healthy today, okay? We all know it has palm oil in it. We don't want that. Personally, it doesn't need any oil in it because hazelnuts, like many nuts, they're full of oil. Everybody's saying oil is bad for you, oil's bad for you, but not if it is in the plant in its whole form. And that is what we have in these wonderful natural hazelnuts from Mother Nature. So I've got a cup in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more cup. That wasn't a full cup. Okay, so this is the longest part of it. You're just gonna put it on your food processor and you're gonna run it for a few minutes, scraping the sides occasionally. Takes a few minutes. Now I see it starting to build up on the sides. So when you see that, just stop it, scrape it. Get it back in there. I think this is one or two more times and that's it. It's starting to look a lot like Nutella. Okay, there we go. That's what we want. It's like nut butter. Perfect. No added oils or anything in there yet. Okay, so the ingredients are really simple, just a few ingredients, which are 3 to 6 tablespoons of water. We have a half cup of cacao powder, just gonna throw that in there. A 1/3 cup of maple syrup, tablespoon of vanilla, a pinch of sea salt, and a little, like I said, a little water. I'm just gonna start out with a little water and add more as I need. Nice. And that's it, that's Nutella. If my son was little, I would give him this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and know that he'd be eating healthy. So I have some apple slices here. You can just, drizzle some on there or put it in a cup and have him dip it in. That's what I do for Marcus. Let's do that again. Slice, dunk, eat. But the most famous way to eat Nutella is drizzled on a crepe. So right here we have our raw vegan crepes. The recipe is right there. Amazing, made with just coconut. It's also in the cookbook. So, you just slice your little strawberries or whatever your favorite fruit. Fill your crepe up there, and I like banana in there too. It tastes just really delicious. I wish you all were here so that I could just have you all taste test this. So then you just fold it over or drizzle it on inside. However you want to do it. I think maybe inside and outside is good. Oh, that looks so yummy. Talk about a tummy tickler. Okay, so I'm gonna fold that over. And now for my favorite part, decorating the top of the crepe. My favorite part of most foods is plating it. So here's some suggestion toppings for you guys. Okay, we have, of course, cacao nibs, sliced almonds. I have powderized Marcus's 0-calorie sugar. You could do it in a coffee grinder or a blender, and it powders into this, and it makes your dishes look really pretty with the powdered sugar on top. I've got whipped cream made from cashew and water, and then blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. And I put some extra Nutella in a container like this. Of course, at home, you could just drizzle it, but for you guys at home, I want to make this presentation as beautiful as possible, so I'm going to use one of these. You can find it at any kitchen store, or make your own out of a plastic bag. So, here we go. Some strawberries. And let me get a nice dollop of whipped cream right on the side. Oh my deliciousness. I think that looks good. Where's my beautiful mint leaf? I finally have mint growing like a weed on my property, which is wonderful. And all these lovelies from the garden. Da, 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 da. Uh-oh, I'm making it too pretty to eat. Okay, that's getting a little too floury, but okay. So let's see, some slivered almonds. Put some cacao nibs on there. And that's just gorgeous like that. But what I also want to do is top it off with this amazing powdered sugar, again, that I made from Marcus's Marcus Sweet. 0 glycemic on the glycemic scale. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in a little strainer. You could get these at conventional grocery stores. And I wanna put it through the strainer because it comes out a lot prettier. Nice, oopsie. Wow. Just a dusting of it. Oh my goodness gracious me. This is really lovely and amazing. Oh my God, you guys, now that I'm done, I have got to take my hair down. This ponytail holder is killing me. It is so tight. But okay, so now did you see how quickly it took me to put this beautiful presentation together? All you need is a little imagination, and you too can do this as well. Now, that is the crepe, Nutella crepe. Another great way that we found to use Nutella is, for those of you that are afraid of using coconut oil or to have it in your diet, Marcus's freezer chocolate, the chocolate part is Nutella, and the Nutella is just hazelnuts and a little cacao powder and a little water. So for those of you that don't want to eat refined oils or coconut oil, Marcus's freezer chocolate has a great way to avoid that by using the Nutella chocolate as the chocolate in his original freezer chocolate recipe. So this tastes amazing. It's a different chocolate, but it tastes just the same without the coconut oil. So here are 2 amazingly delicious recipes using the Nutella recipe I showed you today. I hope you make these at home. I hope you make all these amazingly healthy and delicious recipes. Hope you enjoy them, and I hope to see you again in my kitchen super soon. Thank you. Thank you for joining me.